I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Bless up my people. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going on. You don't know when I say NEWLINK in a black people. You don't know say a straight morning I go on. You understand? Straight morning people. You get me? Cause right now, the whole thing yesterday, people just stir up back. This happened 3 weeks ago, you know, which I do my vlog them, and you know, I feel it and I express myself that they vlogs the people. And yesterday when the news reached the NEWLINK and everything about the sister confession and there something people, and then more details come to me again to the people and this whole thing now, and I say, yo, John no star. But you see, before me even got down in this vlog, you know, people, before me even got deep inside and start leap up certain things right now, you know, more and play piece of the clip when the news team did go to the sister and she attack, and then they go show how people are cool and wicked and cruel and so, you know, we have to go learn. And there's a lot to this thing when NEWLINK go share with our people, because I know so no one get a full breakdown of what really occurred. You understand, or what could that really lead to family doing this to our next level. So before me even say no further, just watch the piece of clip of people and then I come back to you. Watch.
But the pain present. It's reported that about 8:30 p.m. on Friday, Tamara's distraught sister didn't hear anything.
The little girl, after what happened, she went in my mother's room and made phone call to my cousin. That's how I heard about it. No one downstairs hear anything.
She's trying to come to terms with her sister's killing. She describes her sister as...
So now, people, as a cancer, right? That's the sister there, you know. Yeah, big woman. She older than even the girl, because the other girl was like 37. You understand? 36, if I remember. Right? Yeah, them age group there. And people, here she attack. Just listen how she attack. Just look, and when I look on this clip right now, people, you can definitely, somebody say, boy, yeah, man. You see it, not true? I don't want to see it. Well, big up Roaster. I appreciate that. Well, in the end now, people, I'm going to break down to what them so really occurred and what one. See? Alright. Remember this female now, who passed away, you know. Her brother passed away like 6 months ago. Was stabbed to death at a bar in a same Trelawney there, right? Well, this female, people, they are the house, right? Be an argument to go on there, because basically I be a fight to go on over house and land, you know. Be an argument and thing. And in the end, the other sister, like she want the house for herself. That's the bigger one who you see attack. She want the house for herself. You know what I mean? So arguments is there back and forth. Which the younger one who passed away, people, she did plan for even move to the news or reach NEWLINK. She planned for move, but I don't know, say things are going on, which things kind of sticky in a certain way and thing, you know what I mean? But it's like, they can't wait. Well, what them say occurred now, people, is the sister, like, she upset and she argue and cuss and I say, yo, me tired of that girl, them want to get rid of that girl, me sick and tired of him. The sister, them say now, have a 16-year-old daughter, right? A 16-year-old daughter. And them say the look, now which is her niece, you know. The daughter here, like when mommy I get around, I say, yo, mommy, don't worry yourself, me can get somebody sort her out, me can get somebody deal with it. And she comes to mommy and show mommy the whole vibes, and mommy agree. See, which them say now, this little girl now, 16-year-old, use her money, Zine, to carry out the act. It is said that the mommy now is the one who get all of the money now and pay off, because money still have to run, you know, even though a man is sitting and even though she had the mother-in-law and whole heap of something. You get me? I say, money still have to run. Well, it is said now, why them say, you know, yeah, the dog, they make no nice, because as me tell her, the man gain access to the people. The man ain't go through no windows, the man gain access from downstairs and go up there. Zine, what them say up now, why the dog not back? Because the woman now, which is the sister, the mother of the 16-year-old now, meet the man downstairs now in the yard, because the boy them say come a yard already, because me tell her say a 16-year-old daughter and thing. Zine, so meet him down there and lead him up there, up to the room. Then she go back downstairs now You understand? And say she downstairs and she not here what go on. Which she don't explain and plan everything already, people. You know what I mean? And say, yo, listen here, don't do it, hurt the little girl, you know, please, and my niece don't hurt her and thing. In the end, as to what happened now, yes, 2 phone gone is because them have to make it look like there's something happen. And yeah, them have to say something in front of the little girl, which him not want nothing. Because if him did really want him could have get it. Or when he do the action, he could have take it. See, so he not want nothing. And he managed people take the phone, take 16 grand, and he make him move, and him gone. So let me show you, make him move and gone. Sister downstairs now, people are going to say, yo, he maybe put a pillar there and do it. Sister downstairs now, yeah, nothing will go on. See, only thing he say now, daughter make a call. You must see people and daughter make a call and that's it. In the end, confession make and be things are going. See, the whole plot. And the saddest part about it, people, which I told you, they don't have the same mother. They have the same father. And it is said, the father said, see, that's the father, you know, for the 2 girls, the one who do the act and the one who passed away, say, it would be better if she did get killed same time when her brother get killed. You know what I mean? So I'm saying, people, why the hate is on this girl so much? It's a big house, nice house, them say upstairs, downstairs. So when we want to know, people, basically this house, you know, is some family house. You know what I mean? Like some and family fighting over this. Which basically, check it out, people, none of them not own. So maybe it's a dead left relative house. And I'm wondering, and I'm saying, because I didn't get the full information if it is the brother house who passed away or something. But there's something all around that angle. You know what I mean? That's so twist around where you dig deep. I wonder. See, but basically, they said the fight is coming from house and the land. That's where I caused the argument from a good while now. Long time now. And they're not today something. But the girl planned to move. But in the end, they don't give her the chance to move. And that's all they do. And took out this girl. 16-year-old daughter. Line up. Her man. If you do a brutal slaying like this. It's really sad, people. It is really terrible. You know what I mean? And all I can say is, boy, we just have to be careful, people. Be careful our own people, them. Our own brother, our own sister. See? Because even though they are not from the same mother, but they are sisters because they have the same last name. The father say rather she did gone, them say. Same time when our brother gone. It's really terrible, people. You know what I mean? Female gone left for her daughter now. Her daughter have to witness something like that. See? Man talk about give me that and girl not do it and boom. So because you ask somebody for that, think about it. A man ask a woman for sex and because she said no, you rob her already, you might boom and shoot her in her head. No, man. That's a hit. And a lot of people, as I tell you, say, the fans them out there and the viewers them. As I tell you now, I big on up already and I big on up again. You know, really smart. Because all along, you know, I set and I check through the comments from them long time, them 3 weeks ago, where you know all saying, sister, you know, something not right. You know, all was saying it. And see it there, story come to bumps NEWLINK. Oh my world, oh my precious. So, now the end, people. Straight attack. And right now, me a beat it pan the daddy too. Attack. Me a beat it pan the niece, the daughter for the sister. Attack. Me a beat it pan the sister. Attack. Me a beat it pan the boy who find himself in the people house and get the money and go carry out the work. See? In the end, people, every one of them are go down. Because things are talk and it attack and so information keep on putting out, you know. Because things is talking and talking and talking. And just because, you know, certain things them have to kind of keep it down. But you don't know NEWLINK do it, you know, people. We always have the links to certain things. That's why the link is always new. You know what I mean? Where we can do get certain things. You know what I mean? But it's definitely a cruel act. Definitely a cruel act. Wicked act. To your own sister all over land. And them said the girl did that move. Yeah, man. Because he knows every time NEWLINK, the girl was going to move. Because the girl said, but it's just the time they not give the girl and the chance them could wait. So them rather deal with it and done with it. See, that's why I tell the people. Sometimes honestly, bet you're on the street than live a certain place. You bet you're on the street, you're safer than live a certain place. Where's worse a family place. You know what I mean? And the street and the road is way better. You get me? Now, you know, the end people things attack and then she confess she carry out the hit. Where she go? She go to prison. Her sister dead. Who are going to live in there now? And the 16-year-old girl, because things attack, she are going to get charged too. See? Everything I go good on. Who are going to live in there now? You see it? All over our foolishness. All my cancer viewers and subscribers. Again, may our soul rest in peace and sit there. Still I'm on. Blackout today. In time NEWLINK put on a black, a strictly morning. Zine. Honestly, people are just too, man, tough right now. I cannot say tears are running because I feel it, man. There's a picture of one of my nice, beautiful cousin them. Because I'm not a sister, you know, but I have some beautiful cousin out there who I love so much. As I'm telling you already, if I say beautiful, I don't feel offensive. You understand? Everybody is beautiful. You know what I mean? So, I feel no way. But, John was star. That's life, you know? So, don't know viewers and subscribers, man. Just big up on yourself, man, and just stay loving the people and just stay blessing on. Just keep on pushing, man, and keep on supporting the link. You understand? And if you don't subscribe already, people, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell icon so as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_production, on Facebook. You don't know the thing of people. Attack them. Peace out and respect. Be good and be great. Attack.